What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. And guess what, I'm actually going to show you on this account how actually 16,000 was actually made on EURAUD. Now guess what guys, I always show you very simple setups that you can do every single day and apply to your trading. Now if you're brand new watching this and you're thinking that's quite a lot of money to make on an account, guess what, you can make £500, £1,000, because what I try and do, and as you can see, my YouTube channel has been running for many years now, I try and break down the simple principles and strategies that you guys can apply full-time or part-time, any experience level, any age level, doesn't matter what your knowledge is. If you apply the simple strategies, and again, I've been doing this for 15 years guys, a lot of people overcomplicate the markets, and that's why I make these videos, to make it very simple for you guys. So I'm going to hop on the charts in a minute. I'm going to show you a nice little breakdown of what I did on EURAUD. Literally, you guys, if you have never traded before, can download TradingView, which I'll show you in a minute. You guys can see the time frame I trade. You guys can see the currency pairs and why I trade it. And again, I apply some news and fundamentals because I know what's happening in euro right now, what's happening in the dollar. And again, this is information you guys probably watch the news every single day. You guys probably watch it on YouTube. If you don't apply that fundamental knowledge to make money, and I don't know why, I'm gonna do it for you guys right now. Follow along, let's go. So guys, this was a trade that we actually put on our trading channel yesterday. As you guys can see here, this was actually the buy opportunity. We actually showed all of our members where we got in, stop loss to break even, and then we smashed our take profit to the T. And again, I want to break the trade down for you for anybody that doesn't understand, because there's a lot of people that actually don't understand how the market actually works and what we actually need to look at to get the overall picture. Now again, this is going to be a very educational video for all of you guys, but again, if you want to skip the education and just join our team, go to the bio, there's a free Telegram, there's a free WhatsApp. But again, let me get to the charts and explain to you why we broke this down. Again, there's a lot of people online that don't actually understand why Euro Aussie actually moves. Euro Aussie is not actually a real currency pair, it's a synthetic pair. It's actually made up of Euro USD and AUD USD. Again, this is the stuff, information that people don't actually teach you. So this was a trade that we actually gave out. This is a 70 pip trade. Again, I showed you guys already. This is a 16,000 profit on that account that I showed you guys. Now let me actually go ahead and actually go to firstly Euro USD. So as you guys can see over here, we've actually seen a lot of strength from Euro USD. If I go to a 4-hour time frame, look at that. We had massive strength to the upside recently on Euro USD, which means Euro is very strength, it's very powerful, and again, we only may be buying euros. And then we could even go to a currency pair, for example, like Euro Pound. And as you guys can see here, what's happening over here, still going to the upside very nicely against the pound. And pound is a little bit weak right now, but again, it's the strength of the euro that actually want to try and take over to that synthetic currency pair, which is EURAUD. Now guess what, I mentioned earlier, the other component is Aussie dollar versus US dollar. So then we go over here, boom. Now guess what, it's very, very important you guys realize this. This is why key levels matter. This is why technicals are very, very important still. But look at this level we have right here at 0.6584. As you guys can see, a very, very important level where previously it's a really hard time breaking. So over here, we had a rejection from this level. So we had a rejection, which means that we've got weakness in Aussie. So as I explained, strength in Euro USD, strength in Euro Pound, but on Aussie US dollar, we've actually hit our area of resistance. Guys, you gotta put the whole picture together, which a lot of people don't do. So look at one currency pair. But again, what is that currency pair built up of? And again, let me repeat it one more time. Euro strength against two of the currency pairs, dollar and also pound. I could even go ahead and actually show you, which I always do in my videos, is actually show you the dollar strength. So if you go to dollar strength, guys, dollar has been bought all year. All year it's been on the uptrend. So we're putting that whole piece of the puzzle together. We're not just going to one currency pair and looking at it. We're putting the whole picture together. And then now, let me go ahead and go to our trade on Euro Aussie dollar. So we've got strength from the euro, we've got weakness from the Aussie. And guess what? We've actually gone ahead and again, used our key levels. Look, we're in the consolidation area. And if we were to measure this area right now, look at this. This is nearly 124 pip range of consolidation. But once it bounced off the support level, a lot of people actually don't know what to do. But we know, and my community knows, that we've already found the strength in the euro and we found the weakness in Aussie. So we'll put them together, and then again it comes down to like candlestick formations, which we already mentioned. And I always say, for my YouTube, I'm not going to go too much in the candlestick formations, but if you actually want to learn them, that can actually tell me when to enter and when to get out. So over here, we saw a lot of indecision coming down. And again, I've mentioned many videos before, support is an area, it's not a line. So what I could have actually done was, I've actually got this whole area, as you can see here. This was actually my support zone. So at any point, if it actually bounces toward my support zone, I'm actually ready to execute. So I've seen it come down here before, 0.1, I've seen it come down here before, and then boom, I saw that it had basically not managed to break below, and this was my area of support, and we're looking for that smacking buy trade. And we've got it, boom, boom, boom. We've actually got to like an hourly time frame, looks even clearer. Oh my God, what an amazing bullish engulfing candlestick we actually had. But again, we actually got in over here, which we actually knew if it pulls back down, it's okay. And here's a second point for you guys to buy, but this was our original entry where we saw a doji candlestick, we saw indecision. Look at this, how much price action can you actually get struggling to break below the zone. So after numerous attempts, this was the point of our entry, because we saw the other two currency pairs reacting how we want them to react, and that was our entry point. This was an easy 1 to nearly 2 risk to reward. And at any point, look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bullish candlesticks in a row. So realistically, if you stuck to an hour time frame, you wouldn't have an even reason to get out the trade. So this is what I mean by pinpoint execution. But you wouldn't have got this if you didn't look at all the other various components of what actually makes up Euro Aussie. It's not only Euro Aussie, guys, it's numerous different currency pairs we put together. So again, that was a brilliant trade. It was 72 pips, 16,000 on that account that I showed you guys. Very easy, done. And again, if you guys actually want to know a little bit more about how all these currencies all come together, because there's real currency pairs and there's currency pairs which are actually made up of other currency pairs. In that case, you need to be part of my Telegram channel. And again, you can message me on WhatsApp. You can actually get my course, which I explain everything about how all these currency pairs are broken down. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Again, markets made simple, but you understand how the markets actually work. Guys, join my community. It's free, and you can actually get see trades like this. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you very much.